This rally is almost unbelievable. Let's turn to Michelle Schneider, Director of Trading at the Market Gauge Group. Wow, Mish, the Dow, 34,000, the S&P comfortably above 4,300, and the NASDAQ doing what the NASDAQ's been doing for the past couple of months now, going higher. What do you think? Time to be cautious or bullish?
Well, I think it's both, really, if you wanted to talk about that, because cautious is how everyone should always approach this market. Clearly, except for a couple of times when the market has really had soft corrections and continues to fly, what we've seen over the last couple of years is that these rallies can look unbelievable. 2021, the end of, was a perfect example. And then everything fell apart in 2022. So that's the cautious part, is where can the other shoe drop? And we know those situations are still out there, right? I mean, we still have a lot of concerns about inflation, shortages of raw materials. We have strike issues to deal with, the fires in Canada, also creating some issues with lumber supply, the stretch of chips and EVs are now really what kind of resources are they going to need, how much supply. And so all of that has always got to be in your mind because that's the environment we're in right now. But on the other hand, as long as we have risk gauges flashing risk on, then I think it's okay to continue to be somewhat of a bull here until we start to see some changes. And what are those changes? I mean, that's what we're looking for. Inflation, big numbers, what the Fed does, big numbers, and also really what happens here with the dollar, which right now is holding very steady.
You were the first trader to talk about lumber and the wildfires on our show. What can you tell us?
So now here you go, supply demand. So that's going to be a relationship to watch very carefully. What do the prices of lumber do relative to how much demand there is out there? And I think we don't know the answer to that yet, but we do know that lumber prices going up is going to have some impact.
What's happening with your trading lately?
There's another one now called MP Materials, and this is something that I've had experience with since it was a SPAC. And it's really rare earth minerals. And these rare earth minerals have been sort of falling out of favor. That stock collapsed, but now it's basing out. And it has tremendous potential. I'd want to see it get through, say, $22, $23 and hold up above 20. It's trading at about 22 as we speak. And that could actually have another big move.
Thank you very much, Mish.
Thank you so much, Angie.